found out that you've been chosen as the White Calendar Girl for 2023?
Alright, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I am Kim Chu and I'm your Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. My initial reaction, of course, I am shocked and I asked myself if I'm ready to do this. Kasi syempre, a lot of people known me since Pinoy Big Brother house. So I grew up in front of everyone's eye. Not naman everyone siguro, pero most of the people. So they've known me and I grew up in front of their eyes. And I think it's about time na rin for me to do this. And I feel empowered, actually. I feel grateful to be the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days. Pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman. Nice! Your goodness, Abby, thank you! Pangalo, ha? Ready talaga ako. Keep on coming. Let's go. Okay. Kim, are you ready for our second question?
Yes.
Okay, this one naman is coming from Miss Cassie Alcantara from Manila Bulletin. Miss Cassie.
Hi, first of all, congrats on this. Your first time mo to, and kaya mo na ulit.
Yes. And ito, bakas ni Juliana, if you watch this lang, and this is her.
So since this year's theme is about aura, for you, how would you describe aura?
Aura is, para sa akin, it's a celebration of individuality and authenticity, I think. Kasi we all have different types of beauty, we all have different types of confidence, and lahat naman tayo, we all have our own struggles that we hide, and it exudes sa confidence natin. And for me kasi, yung pagiging resilient is a number one for me. Kasi no matter what life throws you, you end up standing up. So I'm here, despite all the challenges that I've faced. I'm here in front of everyone else, smiling, standing as your Tanduay Calendar Girl. So isa to sa mga bagay na I never thought I would be doing in my career. Kaya this is such a big step for me, and I'm very proud to be here in front of you. And that's my aura. Strong aura.
Follow-up question. Sobrang cute mo ng ganyan with parang kang Victoria's Secret Angels. Ano yung feeling mo na habang narapa ka dyan with Victoria's
Akala ko talaga Victoria's Secret model ako, but I'm proud to be a Tanduay model. So, feel ko talaga. Sabi ko, hindi ako magsismile because I'm a woman. No, we all have different types of explanation of what a woman is. And that's who I am. I want to just enjoy every step of my journey that I'm experiencing right now. And I'm very lucky to experience all this sa buhay ko, sa career ko, and with everything that's happening to me right now.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Oh, how beautiful.